how to find and delete your clipboard history on Samsung Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and delete clipboard history on any Samsung Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here you can just open any app where you can type messages or notes. And now here you simply have to tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard. And now here on the keyboard, just tap on the clipboard icon, which is usually above the keyboard or in the toolbar. And now here you'll see all type of text snippets you have copied recently. So here to delete a single item, just tap and hold on it, and after that you can just tap on delete. And here to clear everything, you just have to tap on the edit icon, which can be seen in the top right side of that clipboard section. And now here in this section you simply have to select all the clipboard that you have copied, and after that you can simply tap on the trash icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the clipboard section. And that's it. That's how you can find and delete clipboard history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.